Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Just In Case. Today on our water cooling series, we're going to be getting our fittings in and our hard tubing. So anyways, Cody, tell us about what we got going on here.
So it's going to be great. We have an amalgam of a ton of different great brands. So starting out with the primary rigid compression fittings that we're using, we're actually going to be using Primo Chills RXX fittings, and they're going to be in the razor red coloring. They're going to look super nice. They go with just the rest of the red aesthetic. And then all the special angular fittings that we're using, we're actually going to be using EKs. We have a couple of these 90 degree, they're double 45 rotary fittings. Super awesome, really versatile, because you can do the 90 degrees, or if you just need a little bit of space, like shifted, you can just twist them like that. Incredibly useful. These things saved us a ton of hassle on my water cooling build. Then we just have some single, I'm just gonna lay that down. Some single 45 degree rotary.
90 degree.
90. I can math. I don't know. It's alright. But anyways, we got a couple of those. And then for like our T-valve for the drain system, we're using XSPC parts. This is just a little like ball T-valve thing. It's going to be super nice. It's going to help us with the drain port. Extremely convenient to have when filling and draining the system. And yeah. Anything else?
Nope. So we'll be bending some hard tube today. The other thing we do have that we'll show you a little later is the bit from Primo Chill that rounds the ends of our pipe for us. So when we start using that, we'll show you that and kind of talk more about that. But other than that, let's get started. We'll get these fittings in and start fitting everything up.
Woo!
Alright guys, so there you have it. We finished up with all the tubing, we got all the fittings in, got everything all set up nice, and so now all we have left to do is to put system prep in it and do a leak test.
Yeah, no, so bending the tubes this time was crazy fun and surprisingly really easy. Comparatively over the past couple times that we've rebuilt my system, tube bending was actually kind of a struggle. And this time, there wasn't a hard bend. So Sean did all the bends except for
the hard one.
And I did the hard one, but I did the hard one on my first try. Like, I was really nervous about it. I thought we were going to waste a ton of tubes, but the only tube that we wasted was on the super simple 90 degree bend. From the GPU block to the CPU block. And so super smooth, like eerily smooth. So, but it turned out really well. That all the bends look phenomenal. So
yeah, we used the Primo Chill bit that we had talked about before to kind of finish off the ends of the tubing, make them look nice, and it works really well. It will eat through your tubes really fast though. So if you just need to do the end, don't put very much pressure on it. Just do it slow. Because it'll eat through a whole tube really quick.
Yeah, that was our main problem, is once when you get going on that, it's just super nice, and there's something fun and like fulfilling about just eating up something. I don't know. So that's how we wasted the tube. Wasn't from bad bends or anything like that. It was just us getting a little overzealous with the drill bit. But honestly, that was a phenomenal purchase. It made things way easier.
Yeah, way better than hand sanding everything, and it comes out a lot nicer at the end.
Mm-hmm.
So, anyways, guys, that's it for this episode. On our next one, you guys are going to see it all finished, all lit up and everything, and it'll be awesome. So stay tuned for that one. Okay, guys, we'll catch you in the next one.
See ya.